Welcome to our very condensed version of the history of plumbing.
Greetings, I am Sir John Harrington, godson to Her Royal Highness Queen Elizabeth and Chief Designer of Her Royal Privy. In my role, I have designed a revolutionary toilet for Her Majesty's use, the Ajax. It is the first flushable toilet that anybody has ever seen. But after unveiling it, she seemed to be most offended and banished me from court. You can imagine this is a very trying time for me. But after many years I was allowed back into court and my toilet was used. But it did not seem to be as popular as I had hoped for. The master Leonardo da Vinci also had designs for his own water closet, but unfortunately expired prior to their fruition. You never know. In time, maybe my name, Sir John Harrington, will be associated with toilets everywhere. The Harrington. Or perhaps even better, the John. Anyway, I bid you good day.